Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your GeForce Now subscription and device compatibility. This matters because streaming needs low latency. Next, install a reputable VPN client that supports WireGuard or OpenVPN. Those protocols reduce lag. Make sure you run the VPN installer with admin rights and update GPU drivers before proceeding. Once done, choose a server region near a GeForce Now data center to minimize ping, and keep your VPN app open while you move to configuration steps in the next slide. Now configure your VPN for performance. Pick a server geographically close to the GeForce Now data center to keep round-trip time low. Choose WireGuard or UDP OpenVPN in the client settings. These use fewer hops and reduce jitter. Enable split tunneling if your VPN supports it, so only GeForce Now traffic routes through the tunnel, preserving bandwidth for other apps. Once configured, disable large background uploads and run a quick ping test to compare latency without VPN versus with VPN before launching a session. Finally, connect the VPN, then launch GeForce Now and pick the closest streaming server to your VPN endpoint. This balances routing and server load. Verify stream quality and latency on a short session. If frames drop or stutter, switch VPN protocols or try another nearby server, because congestion often causes issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable split tunneling to see if routing changes help, and reboot your router as a last step. Remember, testing different servers quickly narrows down the best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.